How to fix Telegram verification code not received. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search bar located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply search apps. Then click on apps and notification. In here, click on see all apps and find for Telegram, or simply click on Telegram, force stop the app. Then click on storage and cache, which is below permission and above mobile data and Wi-Fi. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply restart your device and then you're good to go. This is how to fix Telegram verification code not received. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.